Greetings. Today we will continue with reading The Rise of Vloggers. By the end of the lesson, you will be able to describe the photos, apply the new words, phrases, exchange ideas about vlogging, organize your ideas in a dialogue by asking and answering questions about the text. Some key words are vlogging, get into, come to, come across, live up to, keep up with, come up with. During the lesson, you will develop the following skills: reading and speaking. Well, let's begin. What does vlogging mean? Vlogging is blogging, but on camera, sharing stories, reviews, days out, experiences, advice, and hauls. You can use various social media outlets to vlog, including YouTube, Vimeo, Vine, Snapchat, Instagram, Periscope stories. What equipment do you need? A camera, your mobile phone, a tripod, something to edit on, software to edit with. Now, I would like you to pay attention to these questions since the next exercise will ask from you to match with the right questions. So, one of these: who can do it? How does it become popular? What is it? How do you make money from it? When did it start? Let's read one by one. The first one: vlogging is short for video blogging. A blog that uses video is called a vlog. Vloggers post their vlogs online. So, which question does it match with? Yes, it goes with C. What is it? The first vlog was posted by American Adam Contreras in 2000, but vlogging only became popular after 2005 when YouTube was created. The first vloggers conference was held in New York in January 2005. So remember the question? Yes, the right one is E. When did it start? Anybody. You just need a webcam, an internet connection, and a few hours every day to keep your vlog updated. Yes, it goes with A. Who can do it? Number 5. Vlogs with large numbers of subscribers can earn a lot of money from advertisers. Yes, it matches with D. How do you make money from it? And the last one: vloggers use social networking to publicize their vlogs. It matches with number B. How does it become popular? Now I would like you to invite to read the text, but also pay attention to the underlined phrases. Charlie McDonnell. Charlie McDonnell was the first British online superstar. He got into vlogging in 2007 when he was a shy 16-year-old schoolboy, and since then, his videos have been viewed more than 250 million times. His viewers recognize him in the street, and when he attends vlogging events, thousands of fans come so that they can see the real him. His vlogs have been so successful that when he was 18, instead of going to university, he decided to make a living from his vlogs. He became a full-time vlogger and now earns more than his parents. His vlogs cover all sorts of topics, including how to make tea and how to speak English. The second one, Alex Day. McDonald's friend and housemate is 25-year-old vlogger and talented singer-songwriter Alex Day. He created his YouTube channel, Nariman for Fun. He uploads songs and music videos, and his single Forever Yours reached number 4 in the UK charts. Without having a recording contract with a major music label, his first two royalty checks came to more than £100,000. His success is because of his musical talent alone. He did not have the marketing department of big company behind him, but simply used social networking to publicize his music. And let's move on with Lex Croucher. Maybe you've come across Lex Croucher. She's a 22-year-old student. The number of subscribers to her channel, Tyrannosaur Lex, comes to 76,000. She got into vlogging because she was bored. When she started out, her vlogs were autobiographical. But then, when they became serious discussions of issues, for example, her university course did not live up to her expectations, so she vlogged about it. It's hard to imagine how she keeps up with her studies as she not only vlogs, but you can also see her on Twitter, Tumblr, and Facebook. But she manages to come up with amusing and interesting vlogs. Her success is based on her talent, but also her choice of topics that other teenagers can relate to. Now, we just read about these three successful vloggers, but what makes them so successful? Let us find out together. Making good videos is not as easy as it looks. Successful vloggers like Charlie, Alex, and Lex are bright and creative. They became interested in vlogging because they genuinely enjoy what they do and they are just a little bit funnier and cooler than the audience. They have to work hard to match the expectations of their fans. Most of them post new vlogs several times a week. Vloggers interact with their audience. They ask them questions and they get immediate feedback. The vloggers has to manage to read all these feedback so that he or she knows what viewers like most. If the viewers like the vloggers and their vlogs, they are more likely to share their videos. The more shares a vlogger gets, the more money they will make from advertising. It's easy to make a vlog, but the successful ones are so because they think of good stuff, very good stuff. Their earnings can total more than $100,000 a year. If you find one of their vlogs by chance and then decide to follow them, you are helping to make them just a little more money. Now that we just read the text, I would like you to invite into a discussion. Would you rather make a vlog or watch one? Have you seen any vloggers of a famous person recently? Now, think about these two questions, and I would like you to prepare something and discuss about it next time. Well, remember those expressions, those phrases that were underlined? Let us see their meaning together. Get into, move into, come to, reach a total, come across, meet by chance, live up to, satisfy, fulfill, keep up with, move or progress at the same rate as someone or something else, come up with, produce something, especially when pressured or challenged. Now I would like to continue with practice. Complete the questions with one word. Well, um, in fact, these questions or these sentences refer to the information that we just saw in the previous slide, to those phrases. Let us see together how much you can remember. What's the best website you've ever come across? For a typical smartphone, what would the monthly bill normally come? Yes, to. Come to. Did you get any particular video games as a child? Did you get into any particular video games as a child? Are you good at keeping with new computer technology? Yes, are you good at keeping up with new computer technology? Would it be easy for you to come up an idea for a vlog? The right one would be, would it be easy for you to come up with an idea for a vlog? And the last one, when was the last time you saw a film that didn't live to your expectations? When was the last time you saw a film that didn't live up to your expectations? That was all from me. Thank you and goodbye.